One altcoin is seeing a lot of whale accumulation under the radar, another surges after the SEC drops its investigation, and is crypto going to continue rallying after this weekend's crazy event? This is your Altcoin Buzz News. Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Cody, and if you're new here, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you know when we drop latest content. Follow us on Twitter, AltcoinBuzzIO, and as always, not financial advice, and wish you the best of luck in your crypto ventures. Soon after the failed assassination attempt on Donald Trump on Saturday, July 13th, Bitcoin and the broader cryptocurrency market registered a strong surge, with the price rallying all the way to $63,000. Altcoins also made a strong move, with the top altcoins rallying between 5 and 10%. Trump had a narrow escape, and his campaign team said that he was fined and will be attending the Republican National Convention starting on Monday. As per his previous confirmation, Donald Trump was to attend the Bitcoin 2024 conference later this month in July. Along with Bitcoin and other altcoins, the Trump meme coin is up by a massive 60%, shooting to $10 earlier today, with its market cap crossing $415 million. As the elections approach, the cryptocurrency community has generally reacted positively to pro-Trump news, largely due to his recent supportive comments about crypto. Surviving an assassination attempt is also seen as pro-Trump news, which has led to a bullish reaction in the market. Some early market commentary says that after this failed attack on Trump, the focus will shift to securities and other risk-on assets like Bitcoin and crypto that are most exposed to his policies. Mining Bitcoin is a double-edged sword. You can earn money and it helps keep the Bitcoin network decentralized, but the downside is you're on your own to buy the right equipment, maintain it, and pay energy costs all for that return. And unfortunately, many cloud mining services are just a scam. So today we present a legit option to help you mine your coin using power in existing data centers, and that's GoMining. GoMining lets you mine Bitcoin by buying hash power from one of the 9 existing data centers. GoMining owns these data centers, and they work with some of the biggest partners in the industry like Binance Pool, Bitmain, and even a member of the Bitcoin Mining Council. So these guys are the real deal. You can even see a live broadcast from the data centers themselves. The way it works is you buy an NFT to represent the hashing power that will mine for you. GoMining has some impressive stats, showing many happy customers using GoMining. They have over 142,000 NFTs already sold, over 3.9 million terahashes or power sold, 2,416 Bitcoin already mined, over 70,000 NFT holders, and over 21,000 GoMining token holders. By the way, paying these tokens also gives you a 10% discount on maintenance. One more cool aspect of GoMining's offerings is their miner marketplace. This is where you can buy or sell existing miners, or you can even create your own with the hash requirements you want. The average APR is about 30%, and GoMining takes all the hard work out of mining. They've done it all for you. You can buy the power you need or upgrade it afterwards. Not unlike some of our favorite DePIN projects, and use what you want to mine Bitcoin. We have a special offer with GoMining, so if you use the link and add code BUZZ, you get 5% off your first purchase. Try GoMining today with the link down below. Chainlink is among the few altcoins with the slowest recoveries in the market, but do you know the token is up 48,311% since its ICO in 2017, and now is witnessing a massive whale accumulation. Crypto analyst Elliot shared on X that Chainlink whales have snapped up over 6.2 million link this past week, totaling approximately $76.88 million. And Sentiment recently shared that Chainlink's key stakeholders, with 10K to 1 million coins, have been showing major accumulation during these suppressed markets. Since June 24th, they've added 9.2 million link, a 4.65% increase to their collective holdings since the date. Chainlink holders have consistently realized losses in July, and whale accumulation could help Link resist a mass sell-off. Into the block data shows that exchange net flows for Link have been negative for the past 2 weeks, with roughly $110 million worth of Link being withdrawn from exchanges during the last 15 days. As Link leaves exchanges, it's indicative of an accumulation phase, meaning Link is leaving exchange wallets and being converted to long-term holdings. Secret Network has just announced the DeCC Alliance and their involvement in it. Secret Network is all about decentralized confidential computing for all Web3, unlocking powerful new use cases for AI, DePIN, RWAs, and dApps via smart contracts with encrypted data. They shared on X this group of 20-plus Web3 projects aims to spread awareness of DCC technologies, educate the public on its necessity, and develop new solutions together. While speaking with related projects at ETH Denver 2024, we realized the need for more public education on decentralized confidential computing technologies to distinguish them from privacy coins or cryptocurrencies like Monero that only provide transactional privacy. DCC projects provide the ability to create smart contracts with encrypted data, perform both on-chain and off-chain calculations confidentially, and store confidential information on a blockchain, capabilities far more advanced than simply sending a token privately. We started to collect related projects into a group chat at ETH Denver, and over the following months added more members and established the term DCC as a new name for this category of Web3 technology, decentralized confidential computing. Secret Network is working alongside a bunch of great projects such as Oasis Protocol, Valen Network, Phoenix.io, and many more great projects. Check out Secret Network with the link down below. The United States Securities and Exchange Commission dropped a 3-year-old investigation into Hyro Systems, a blockchain software developer, formerly known as Blockstack, that raised $70 million in token sales from 2017 to 2019. Hyro makes tools for developers to build apps on Stacks, a layer 2 blockchain that supplements Bitcoin. Stacks is the brainchild of crypto industry veteran Munib Ali, who is now CEO of Trust Machines, another builder in the ecosystem, and a board member at Hyro. The SEC's Division of Enforcement sent in a letter to Hyro on Friday that based on the information we have as of this date, we do not intend to recommend an enforcement action by the Commission against Hyro Systems PBC, formerly known as Blockstack PBC. The letter contained a caveat that such a notice must in no way be construed as indicating that the party has been exonerated or that no action may ultimately result from the staff's investigation. In a tweet Friday after the filing came out, Ali wrote that the SEC's probe looked into the Stacks protocol, not just the Hyro entity. The company, then known as Blockstack, launched the first version of the Stacks chain with its token STX in 2018. Early on, the company treated the tokens it sold as securities. It conducted a portion of its token sales under the SEC's Regulation A+, which allows issuers to sell limited amounts of securities to the public without registering. Other tokens were then sold to accredited investors. In January 2021, a new version of Stacks launched, with a new consensus mechanism, the proof of transfer, into Hyro's mind, the network had become fully decentralized. In an SEC filing that month, the company said it was no longer providing essential managerial services to the Stacks blockchain, and therefore it is no longer necessary to treat Stacks tokens as securities. Apparently, the SEC was skeptical of that interpretation, and in September 2021, Hyro disclosed that it was responding to an inquiry from the Division of Enforcement. And Friday's filing marks the end of that inquiry, and presumably the removal of the sword that's been hanging over the firm.